visiting with today's super collectors. JD?
John, I'm dealing with a severe depression right now because I'm looking at their collection and realize I threw all of my Hot Wheels out. And we're finding out today that they're very, very collectible, very valuable. We're here with Sharon and James Gravely. Now, their Hot Wheels collection could have sparked a fight, but it didn't, did it? Now, James, you bought 75 Hot Wheels, or no, you bought 15 Hot Wheels for $75. Almost 10 years ago, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what was your reaction, Sharon?
I'll tell you.
But then, what happened? What did you find out?
They were worth a lot of money.
Yeah, in fact, they spent 75. You paid 75 for the lot, and one car alone was worth $100. Where is that Mustang? It was right up here. There it is. Look at this. This one alone was worth $100, but they have different cars. Some are 500. They have a couple here that are like 700.
Oh.
And when we come back, we're going to take a closer look at their amazing Hot Wheels collection.
Oh.
Hold that carefully.
JD, you know, I'm like you, man. I've already seen about 10 that I had as a kid that I threw out.
I know, me too. I walked through going,